Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Cantoshib token. Now this token just got listed recently on CoinGecko, brand new listing. Ticker symbol is Cshib. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Cantoshib token. So Canto space Shib is the name of the token. Cshib, all one word, is the ticker symbol. This token is actually up 167.3% right now, according to CoinGecko, doing amazing after their new listing on here. There is one warning at the top of the CoinGecko page that everybody should be aware of before even thinking about investing in this token. It says the following token has a variable tax function on the smart contract to change tax rates post-deployment. Do your own research and be careful if you're trading this token. So thoroughly investigate this token before investing. When there's warnings like that, it doesn't necessarily mean like 100% that this token is going to be a scam, but it definitely has the potential to be a scam when you could alter things like the smart contract and whatnot, change taxes, mint new tokens, etc. Now, this token is available on Canto swap according to CoinGecko here. So that is, similar to Pancake swap, but just for the Canto blockchain. So basically you would fund your decentralized wallet with the Canto blockchain token, go into the dApps, find Canto swap, and then trade your Canto tokens, or coins I should say, for the Cshib token using the contract address that you can now find on CoinGecko. So they have their block explorer on here as well. They have on CoinGecko they have their price chart, contract address, a link to Canto swap, the Twitter, Telegram, block explorer, and their official webpage cantoshib.co. So if you're looking for their webpage, that's what it is there. Now according to their block explorer here, it says there's 18 decimal places on this token, 452 holders, 4,925 transfers, and a total supply here that is 1 quadrillion tokens. So a lot of tokens, of course. And there's some swapping going on as of even up to 14 minutes ago here. So still pretty active here, but not super active. Now their Telegram also is just getting started here. Only 191 subscribers on their Telegram so far. So that's just getting started. Now their Twitter, 434 followers. They just joined in February 2023. 34 tweets so far. It says, we are live. Then it has the contract address is their pinned tweet on Twitter. And it says, buy here. And it has a link over to Canto swap that you could just click on and do it that way. So they have, it says, our favorite dog, Shib, is coming to the Canto chain. So they have a live chart on here, a DEX Tools chart if you want to check that out. Now they have a buy tax of 4% and a sell tax also of 4%. So you may have to set slippage somewhere around 4% if you are going to purchase or sell this token because of those taxes. Hopefully they tell us what the taxes are for, because I don't even see where it says here. It says 100% liquidity lock, total security. I think they announced that on their Twitter too as well. Yeah, it says So we're thrilled to announce we have extended our lock to 50 days from now, locking liquidity until April. More extensions are in the cards. So they only locked it for 50 days, so be aware of that. That could be worrisome as well if liquidity all becomes unlocked and then they didn't update it and relock it. So just be aware of that. Follow their socials to make sure that they are locking the tokens, because that could be worrisome too if those. So they already have that warning there on the CoinGecko page. I don't know if they have a full audit or KYC either. So it says, it's here, our Cshib Snipe UI is live. This is a UI interface for Canto Swap that is much faster and easier to use with infinite slippage. Perfect for grabbing those hyped tokens like Cshib. Check it out now. MetaMask PC only for now. So it looks like you can only use your MetaMask wallet for this. And yeah, so they also have we're thrilled to announce we're now listed on CoinGecko. They just got that listing there. So they have airdrops too that they're talking about on their webpage. So Cantoshib is a meme cryptocurrency, community-driven and fair, launched on the Canto chain, of course. So how to bridge. Add Canto chain to MetaMask. Network name is Canto. So you basically, you have to do all this step by step. This is on their webpage, cantoshib.io. It teaches you basically how exactly to get this token. So it talks about bridging Synapse protocol using Canto bridge USDC with wrapped Ethereum from ETH to Canto, convert 8 from Canto to Canto EVM after 10 to 15 minutes. Funds should appear in the decentralized exchange. Faucet to get some Canto for gas. And then you could join their communities and ask questions too if you have any problems with how to do that, how to buy the token. If you're still not sure how to do it, you can always join the Telegram or Twitter, ask questions on there. So they do have contests too as well. It looks like they gave away prizes to 10 lucky winners here with their linked Twitter accounts on their Twitter for airdrops. So that's cool too. So it says, we are committed to real utility on Canto and want to give Cshib holders and community the best edge on growing this chain. We know that there has been reports of slowness on Canto Swap. This is inevitable on complex dexes. So there has been a lot of Canto tokens being listed recently on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. I've been noticing that. I even saw one today. Canto Crabs Chips was one that just got listed today. You can just scroll through and see there's one called Matrix that just got listed. There's another one called Cant OHM, which is a play off of the OHM rebase token that a lot of tokens fork, like Wonderland, if you remember that token. And then there's another one here, Canto Bonk. Maybe I should have did a video on Canto Bonk as well. I love the Bonk tokens. And Canto Believe, there's a whole bunch of them coming out. So this is, a fairly popular crypto chain these days. It's not huge or anything yet, but there has been some new tokens being listed on here recently on the Canto blockchain. And this is one of them, Cantoshib. So check out this token, check out the blockchain. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.